everyone.
Hello, I'm Harsh.
And I'm Haley. And did you know that art is associated with improved memory and reasoning?
Or doing creative things improves mental health?
Ladies and gentlemen, looking and listening to art can definitely help you in a small way. But creating it, that's what makes you feel infinite. And that is because art has the power to bring you in the here and the now, in the present, all while being cheerful and happy and just enjoying a magical transformation.
We understand that these are difficult times, but it's important for us to stay at home.
One can get bored, anguished, caught up in the mundane. But hey, we urge you to follow all the directives for the better of our communities and stay at home.
And because you are at home, we started something for you. We started a YouTube channel that you can subscribe to for free.
You can log on to Qwork of Art and it's for everyone. Our projects have been made by kids aged 5 years and adults as much as 61 years of age. We even feature your work in our videos and aim to reach a wide audience to make everyone believe. So friends, subscribe to Qwork of Art on YouTube or send us an email on the address below, and we are more than happy to conduct live sessions, workshops, activities and whatever you think may be useful to the community at large.
We appreciate the efforts put in by the initiative Corona India.
And friends, we urge you, if you ever dreamt of anything that you wanted to do, now is the time to start, just like we did.